Didn't mean to stop the video. Good job, Briseis. Good job. Keep going, follow Mom. There's not as much wind here. Keep going. Follow Mom. Yeah, gotta be careful of that. You catch your ski on that. Good job, guys. Oh, look at that. Big mounds of snow. Let this snowboarder go. Whoa. Nice. Fresh powder. Good job, Briseis. Wow. I think Torn and Jing Jing are already at the bottom. I don't even know where they are. Oh, we are so going on the ski out. That was... All right. All right. Good job, Briseis. Nice job going nice and slow. We can do the ski out. Oh. Another body. Yeah.
Don't say that loud.
All right.
Hey, you guys, we made it down.
Okay.
You guys have to listen out for fresh powder, Torn.
Wow.
Come this way. I think. This way. Snowboarder's dream. Powder.
It is actually.
Yeah, ski's a little bit.
Doesn't hurt to fall. Sit on your bum.
It's a snowboard dream to have powder.
It is. It totally is. Good job, Briseis. Good job, guys. We survived.
You think you have fresh powder? Yeah. Snowboarder's dream.
Dream.
I know, it's really nice.
Get here, Nate.
I like
Okay.
it.
Look, no one is going up on Strawberry anymore.
Yeah. Well, look at the snow lineup. Do you want to do one more time? It's pretty treacherous on the top.
It was pretty cool.
Yeah.
But we could do it if you want. Do you guys want to do that again?
Sure.
We can do one more time. Briseis, you want me one more? There's no lineup.
Come on.
Let's go one more, Strawberry.
Okay, we'll head up again.